Man, Webb in Richmond Hill, what an amazing community this is going to be. I'm so excited we got it in here. 55 and up community, amazing. You got to check out this house. We're going to the Palmary. This could be either 2 to 4 bedrooms, a 2 to 3 bathroom home from 1,800 to 2,800 square feet. We're going to go check out this awesome home. Let's go check it out.
Camera ready, action. Yeah, I do it like lights, camera ready, action. Do you know what I mean?
All right, here it is, the Palmary in the distinctive series. They have 3 different series. They have the scenic, they have the echelon, and the distinctive. This one has the gourmet kitchen, 2-car garage, as you can see. But this is their model home row. So if you're ever like, okay, let me just see what they got. They have decked out 6 just for you. And when I say decked out, I mean they totally decked it out for sure. And all these options, you know, you can add yourself, but man, they have done a great job. This one's got the gourmet kitchen. This has got the upstairs. So I'm super excited to show you this one. Yeah, the Palmary right here. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna take a left right here. We're just gonna go dead into it, right? We're just gonna get into it. So here is one of the guest bedrooms right here. Boom. Like I said, this one's got 3 bedrooms. So you get to see the upstairs loft and bedroom they got up there. So say if you're downsizing, but you wanna have space for your grandkids or your sons, daughters, whatever whoever's coming to visit, this one's got the space for sure. Quartz countertops, as you can see, bang. In the bathroom tile floor, standing shower. And I do love about this one is the showers, it's not high off the ground. You just step right over there, bam. All right, and then we're gonna come in. I like this wall right here. Now this is something you'd have to do yourself, but this kind of gives you an idea of what you could do to this beautiful home. And then bang, look at this office right here. I mean, look at that. I love the tray ceilings right there. And then they put a little pop of blue up in there. Super cool, but yeah, I mean, that could be an office, could be anything, playroom. We're gonna skip over the laundry room, and then like I said, that's the upstairs. We'll come back to the laundry, but man, look at this. I mean, wide open space, and I love it. And this one's got the gourmet kitchen in it, so that means they got a gas, cooktop, stove, double oven, one I think is a microwave. But yeah, look at this kitchen. I love the blue, my goodness. It's outstanding. And when you contrast it with the white, tons of space that you see to store things, right? So if you're a cook, you get the undermount sink right there on this quartz countertop. And if you guys are looking to, scan a code, I'll just give you a code right there, bang. You can check it out yourself. All right, but man, look at this. Love this kitchen. And then of course we got nice sized pantry. All right, bang. I love Richmond Hill area too. Like you're not far from anything, and this specific community is so close to 95. Like, I mean, I want to say it's a mile up the road. You just get to 95, boom, you're off to wherever you want to go. Here's the dining area and living room, my God. And then you get an electric fireplace right there. I love that, but yeah, this spot is really cool. Now, let's go in the primary bedroom. Bang, look at that. Obviously, you can fit a king size bed in here, no problem. Of course, you can choose your flooring. This is, they got a laminate here, but you could have you could have carpet if you want. Look at that. This is huge. Plenty of space. If you want a reading spot, you can make that happen. Then come into this separate tub, separate shower. As you can see, tiled-in shower. Once again, options. Just showing you the options. Dual vanity with quartz tile floor, okay? And then this cool closet. Very nice closet. The ceilings are high, so everything feels big in here. I love that. All right, so we checked out the 2 bedrooms downstairs. Now, let's go upstairs. All right, as soon as you get to the top of the stairs, you see here left, they got a big storage space for your holiday items, maybe if you like to store your holiday items in the home. And then this is like the lofted area. So like I say, you got guests over here. Maybe you want your alone time, right? You put them up here. They can hang out up here, play, whatever they like to do. Maybe it's the grandkids, maybe it's just grown kids. And then they got this over here, bathroom for everybody. So They don't have to come downstairs. They don't have to. The bathroom's right here. And then you come into this room right here. Like I said, look how big this room is. I mean, you can definitely fit a king size bed in here, no problem. Or you can do this or double bunk beds. Who knows? You know, any kind of configuration you want. It's great, great floor plan for all of the things that you want to do. All right, let's go to the back. Another thing I love about not only the wide open space here, but you could turn your inside party into an outside party really quickly with these doors. I love this because let me back up as I open it up. Look at this, because it's a screen-in porch. Say on those cool nights where it's 70 degrees and you want to open up the doors. No problem with the screen-in porch. Bugs ain't getting in, but look at that. And if you're not familiar with our area, sand gnats are prevalent in the Savannah area. But I like this. I mean, this is a huge screened-in porch. I mean, holy cow, how much partying could you do? And then you like even want to extend the party further. Go out here, they put a pergola up. Obviously, that's something you can do, but man, look at this. I mean, the possibilities are endless. And as you can see, they decided, I'm gonna brick in my my Blackstone and my grill. So, man, the options are endless. So that was a Palmary floor plan by Webb in Richmond Hill, Georgia. If you have a question about this home or any Webb home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.